Welcome back, StoryPix adventurers! The Amazon rainforest is one of the most wild, mysterious, and biodiverse places on Earth. But did you know it's also home to some of the strangest animals you've ever seen? From walking fish to see-through frogs. Today we're diving deep into the jungle to uncover the weirdest creatures that call the Amazon home. Are you ready for an adventure? Don't forget to check out all the links in the description for more awesome videos and playlists. There's always another StoryPix adventure waiting for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this adventure with your friends. Let's go! Number 1. Did you know there's a dolphin that isn't blue or gray, but pink? Meet the Amazon River dolphin, also called the boto. Unlike ocean dolphins, these mysterious swimmers have a flexible neck, allowing them to weave through flooded forests like underwater acrobats. And yes, their pink color gets brighter as they age. Scientists believe it's caused by scar tissue from their playful but competitive nature. Number 2. This one might creep you out. The pacu fish looks like a regular river fish until you see its teeth. Instead of sharp fangs, it has flat, square-shaped teeth that look just like human molars. But don't worry, pacu aren't meat eaters. They use their teeth to crack open nuts and fruit that fall from the rainforest trees. Imagine going fishing and seeing a fish with a human smile. Number 3. This tiny frog is completely see-through. The glass frog has translucent skin, meaning you can see its heart beating and stomach digesting food. Scientists believe this camouflage helps it blend into leaves to avoid predators. Nature's version of invisibility. Number 4. This incredible lizard doesn't just live in the trees, it can run on water. The basilisk lizard can sprint across the surface of rivers for several feet, thanks to its long toes and super speed. If you could run as fast as this lizard compared to your body size, you'd be sprinting on water too. Number 5. Otters might seem cute, but don't mess with the giant river otter. This 6-foot-long predator is the top hunter of the Amazon River, taking down piranhas, caimans, and even anacondas. They live in tight-knit family groups, and their piercing whistles keep them connected in the wild. Number 6. This bird might just haunt your dreams. The potu bird has huge, eerie eyes that never seem to blink. It sits perfectly still during the day, blending in with tree branches, like a living statue. But at night, it hunts insects with its giant mouth. With its spooky stare, the potu has earned the nickname Ghost Bird. Number 7. This tiny ant has the most painful sting in the insect world. The bullet ant's sting is so excruciating that it's compared to being shot by a bullet. Indigenous tribes use these ants in initiation rituals, proving just how tough they are. If you ever see one, it's best to stay far, far away. Number 8. The Amazonian giant centipede is nightmare fuel. It can grow over a foot long and preys on lizards, birds, and even bats. Using venomous fangs, it subdues its prey before devouring them whole. This is one rainforest creature you don't want crawling up your leg. Wow! The Amazon rainforest is full of surprises, and these creatures are just the tip of the iceberg. Which one fascinated you the most? Let us know. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description for more awesome videos and playlists. There's always another StoryPix adventure waiting for you. And remember, the world is full of weird and wonderful creatures, so hit that subscribe button and join us for more StoryPix adventures. See you next time, explorers!